Long time I had a goatee and it was like scraggly.
Happy Vlogtober! It's actually September 30th, but I thought it would be
This is how we do. We start the day early and we end the day late.
Yeah, for you guys.
Just for you.
So we just turned in our post office keys.
We've had them we haven't personally had them, but they've been in the family for like 50 years.
Yeah, and the post office, the P.O. box has been open in our family for as long. And we got a U-Haul. I'm not going to show it right now, but I will show it in a little bit. All right, it's all packed up.
All right, beautiful people.
I couldn't film it while it was happening because we were busy doing it. But yeah, I think that's it. That's all of our stuff, mostly.
Yeah,
we had
actually almost everything. And like, there's some stuff that we're gonna put in the craft fair and like big bags of paint, which actually we might just bring. There's definitely space for it.
No, minimalism of the mind.
Yeah, I like to paint.
Yeah, but we have paint in that green thing.
Oh, okay.
So we're good. But yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get this in, but we will.
Into our apartment.
Into the apartment, but we will. We had a big day today. We closed the P.O. box. We brought all of our craft fair stuff to our friend's business, and our friend's office, and she's able to perfect. So she'll be able to store that until we come back. But yeah. Happy Vlogtober.
It was a weird day. I had a terrible headache when I woke up, so I was like, and then I was feeling like, oh my god, I'm never going to be able to get this done. And then an extra friend came to help us.
Oh, yeah. Really thank goodness.
And then...
Thank goodness for friends.
Yeah.
Family, you can take or leave, but friends are forever.
Chosen family.
Very important piece of our stuff is the hand truck. Because how are we going to get this up the stairs if we don't have a hand truck?
Yeah.
Dumbwaiter?
No, shut that down.
Alright. So good day. Thank you. Thank you for coming with us, even though I didn't film the interesting parts. Happy Vlogtober. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!